HobbyKidsTV.
Previously on Batcave Fire.
Batman! Look! The Batcave is on Play-Doh fire! Robin, I present to you the Imaginext Rescue Heroes Firehouse. That fire's going out. And one more. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh no! Batman's on my tail! I've got to get to the Laugh Factory! So many memories at the Laugh Factory. Yes. What a kick in the pants that was. Oh, and then there was this.
Don't worry, Batman, I'll save you.
And then there was this.
Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick. Oh, that was terrible.
Well, time to lay down my secret weapon of a slicky, slippery, black, oily, super slippery substance to distract Fat Man. Honey, I'm home.
Robin, can you hear me? If you can hear me, I'm stuck. The hatch won't open up all the way and I can't crawl out. Can you do anything about it? All right, Robin, I'm gonna call for help. Rescue heroes. This is Batman. This is an SOS. We need your help down on Main Street near Joker's Laugh Factory. Get down here ASAP. All right, the first one out the door of the Rescue Heroes Fire Station is the Sergeant Siren police car. The next one out the door is Matt Medic and Ambulance. And of course, you can't have a Rescue Heroes Fire Station without the Rescue Heroes Fire Truck! Go get them, guys! Looks like they're right behind each other, driving to the crime scene in their boxes. Wait, that's not right. We've got to get them out of their boxes. What are we thinking? So we've got Sergeant Siren here and his police car. We've got the back of the bus. Look at all these different emergency vehicles that we can get for our collection. We've got the firehouse, the car, the ambulance, the fire truck, the police car. Man, all we need to get is that guy right there, Jake Justice and motorcycle. Now, all of these toys are recommended for kids over the age of 3. And one of my favorite things that Imaginext does do is include 3 AAA batteries for their toys. Awesome! So there's the car. Now let's get the sergeant and his big megaphone speaker siren thingy. Doink! So here's the Imaginext police officer. We've got his arms moving up and down, his legs move. His head turns all the way around, which I always find to be a little creepy. And he can hold his siren here, or megaphone. Let's put him in his little police car. Alright, so he doesn't fit in there with his megaphone. Gotta kinda cram him in there a little bit. It's actually a really cool police car. All 4 tires turn. So we got 2 buttons here. We got the first one.
This is Patrol 5. On my way to it. 1090.
So it looks like we got a 1090 in process. Ooh, the lights are flashing.
This is Patrol 5. I'm stopping for coffee.
Of course. Coffee. Gotta get your coffee breaks, huh, officer? Here's the second button. Oh, those are pretty bright lights, huh? Got the ones on the top and the ones in front.
This is Patrol 5. 5 responding.
Great job, officer. See you at the crime scene. And now we've got Matt Medic and Ambulance. Now, HobbyKidsTV channel already did a review of this toy. We'll put the ambulance together so that Matt the medic can get ready for our crime scene. There we go. Got him in his ambulance here. And I think all the Rescue Hero toys, well, it's going to have lights and sound. See you at the crime scene. Well, yeah, someone's hurt. Robin has goop all over his face, bro. Now, what would a rescue be without the biggest rescue vehicle out there? The fire truck. Just from what I can see and what this does, this thing looks awesome. Again, here's the back of the box. It is recommended for kids over the age of 3. Again, here's everything that we can get for it. There's our Rescue Hero City. Now, this particular toy does come with 2 AA batteries, and it looks like we have lights and rescue sounds, and we've also got press to fire water projectile at the blaze. Well, we already took care of the fire at the Batcave, but we've got to rescue Batman and Robin, so let's get this thing opened. Doink! So, our fireman here, his name is Sam Sparks, and he's going to be operating the ladder today on the fire truck. So the kit comes with an axe, a wrench, and 2 water launcher projectiles. So it looks like the fire truck opens from the top, and that's where Sam Sparks is going to do our driving over to the rescue. And it looks like we have this lever right here. I wonder what this does when we press it down. Whoa! Now that is just cool. And this right here turns once it's fully open all the way around, so that you can shoot the water cannon at any angle that you want. Let's see what happens when we press this button right here. Awesome, it even sounds like a real fire truck. Wow, that was a nice fire truck, Hobby dude. Man, that was so cool. All right, Batman, we've got the place surrounded. We're here to rescue you. Good, because I'm hankering for a rescue. All right, Captain, let's get rid of this oil slick. Oil slick gone, sir. Now let's get the jaws of life and get Batman out. Great job, Sergeant Siren. Come on, let's get Robin to the hospital in the ambulance. He's got that oily, goopy, slimy, sticky stuff on his face.
Rescue 7 en route to accident.
Don't worry, Robin. I'll get this all taken care of. Hey, that's a nice fire truck, man. Can I have a ride? Come on, let's go!
I saw the whole thing happen. Yes, it was a nice rescue. You'll never get me, Batman.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you like Imaginext Fire Rescue Heroes and Batman. See you guys in the next video.